Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is April 23, 2001. I'm in 2000, I'm in 2021. So this is just an update guys of our yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade of ExtremePips EA. So here's what happened guys. Yesterday it took a 50 pips profit yesterday here. It took twice stock profit guys here. So now we have 3 entries for martingale. So let's see what happened, and then the lot size guys, I changed the sell lot size here. I put 1, supposed to be it's wrong, because I want to gain more for the bearish. So I put here 25. So this is my sell lot size guys, 0.25. So that's it. That's my settings for sell lot size, 0.25, and my base lot for buy martingale is 0.01. So I made it guys because as you can see the trend, this is ranging for 1 hour time frame. This is up, this is distribution, they call it in 4 market phases. This is advancing, distribution, decline, then accumulation. So this is distribution guys, a clear distribution, as you can see the pattern here, or the market structure. So it's here, this is the main K levels, this is a K levels, and here also is the resistance. So the price if the price cannot break this support, so it goes up again. It will goes up again and then go down again for declining phase. So that's the 4 phases of the market guys. If you study the price action, the basic price action, market structure, so that's it. So in other term, I mean in other institution there, like the ICT or what's that, I forgot. So they have only 3 phases of the market, so I'm not familiar with that. But for me the basic is 4 phases: the accumulation, advancing, and then the distribution, and then the declining. So that's the 4 phases of the market guys. So here you can see those 4 phases here. This is advancing, the bullish strength, bullish power. This is their bullish trend that is advancing, and then here it's a clear distribution, the consolidation on bullish side. So that's distribution. So our trade for this distribution phase we have already 3 entries. So if the market, if the price, if the price hits the upper side just a little bit on the second entry, so we will take this profit here. So guys, as you can see, my sell lot size, I changed to a big lot size. You know why? As you can see here, 0.25. My base lot for buy for martingale is 0.01. So if you check my previous video about this ExtremePips EA, you can see there that once the market will continue on the downside, so the ExtremePips reaction is also on the downside, which is the trend following. So that's the reaction of our AA, the trend following on the longer trend. Guys, on the longer trend, the ExtremePips EE will continue follow the trend. So no martingale. If no martingale, guys, that's very less profit. So what I did, I put the 0.25 lot size. If in case the EA will follow the trend, I have 0.25 lot size for that trend, guys. So how would I say that it will go bearish for trend following? So this is very basic, guys, as what I have said. If you can see the daily time frame, you can find it here. As you can see here, guys, this is strong up, strong bullish. It was, yeah, March 31. Since on March 31 the trend is bullish, and then if you check our order block indicator, the filtered order block, as you see it here, you have noticed that before the market change its direction, the order block reminds you first, or reminds you in advance, that the trend will change. This bearish move last February, the order block signaling that it goes up before it occurs here. So first 3 days before it happened, so the order block indicator reminds you that, hey guy, hey man, the trend will change. It will goes up for the next 1 month, for the next month. So you can see it here. So that's the time you will change your buy lot size in this downtrend. So that's my basis, guys. That's why I decided to put a higher lot size for my sell, because as you can see it here, the order block already changed its direction, signaling that this trend will go down. If this trend will go down, so it's a sell for the next week, or next incoming weeks. So this is the good thing about order block indicator, guys. because it will tell you what's the next direction of the trend. It will tell you in advance. See, it's going down, going to cross this zero line. So that's it. That's why the trend following of this trend for the next 2 to 3 weeks is downside. So that's why in my hourly time frame, that's why I changed my sell lot size into 0.25, or I can put here the 0.50 because my leverage is 0.50, so I can put here 0.50 guys. My leverage is 1:500. If I put it here 1.0, that's big lot size guys. Maybe I got a problem with my leverage, so 0.50 is enough. But for me, I will try this 0.25 to check it for the next 3 weeks, I mean 2 weeks, the incoming 2 weeks. So that's it guys, because oh, it's alive. If you check on my demo guys, this is the demo. So here in demo, because see, it's different entries. As you can see in my real account, it has 3 entries, but in demo it has only 2 entries. Yeah, because I opened this demo late in the evening, so this real account I opened it yesterday. As you remember, it was morning time. So this one I opened this around 9 o'clock in the evening yesterday night. So it has 2 entries. But anyway guys, I will show you the result of the strategy tester I made yesterday night. So this is it. As you can see guys, if you see it here, the daily time frame, this up of the order block reminds you that the trend will go up. So we will back test this area around March 30. We will back test this area March 30 up to the time when this order block signaling that it will goes down. Actually, the order block telling you in advance, so we have to make it late for 1 day here on this big bullish candle. So what is the date? April 19. So April 19 guys, or April 20, so that it will stop on April 19. So April 19. Oh, it's so sad. It's Monday, so it will stop on Friday, which is 16. So anyway, no problem. We can take this trade up to today. So today. So that's it guys. We will back test this because I remember this yesterday night that I put 1 lot size for heads. So let's start. So our capital is 500 guys. I mean $5,000. So let's see what happens. See? Oh, Yeah, sorry, this is not the lot size. I changed it yesterday, so anyway, no problem. We will check next time. And then our yesterday's trade of Euro Yen, guys. This is what happened. The Euro Yen supposed to be, if I was here yesterday afternoon time, I can take this trade, this pullback, or yeah, it's pullback in lower time frame. It's a very good pullback. Oh, it's 74 pips. Anyway, no problem, guys. We will take this trade because as you can see, the order block is still on the downside below zero line, and then the momentum is going up, signaling that this trend now is started to volatile. I mean, this is strong momentum trend. So today up to next 5 days we can notice this, because the order block is really telling you that this trend is going down. So that's it, guys. Anyway, our GBP yen yesterday, it's a bad news. It was stop lost around 100 pips. So that's the bad thing of the counter trade. The counter trade pairs. I mean the not counter trade. Yeah, we can call it counter trades because our bias for Euro yen is going down while our pound yen is going up, so it's counter trade for the one currency, which is the yen. The base currency is euro, and the other trade, the base currency is pound, but the quote currency is the same yen. So you have entry for buy and you have entry for sell. That's countering the trade, guys. So that's not a good idea. As you notice my trade, so I lost 100 pips again. I lost around 200 pips in gold, and then the pound yen I lost also. But anyway, guys, I'm sure that we will take this profit for the next 3 weeks. As you can see here, the take profit of this EA is only here. So it's just the fallback. So let's see what happened. The daily time frame of Euro USD is telling you that the trend will go down. So that's it, guys. Anyway, we have no trade for gold because it's still on the buyer's area. As you can see, the order block indicator telling you that, hey man, this is up. And then if you remember my weekly forecast last Sunday, my forecast for gold is buy, so it remains buy, but of course there is a little bit pullbacks, retracement. So last night we are trying to take the retracement, but it fails We lost 200 pips. Anyway, that's no problem. That's part of trading, guys. That's why in my videos, if you read my disclaimer, where is that? Anyway, it's out. It's not here. Anyway, just read the disclaimer, guys. The last two videos, just read the disclaimer. I put it there that just hit the entries and don't expect. So during entries, guys, don't expect, because it's 50-50. It's 50% lost or 50% profit. That's trading, guys. That's part of our business. So anyway, guys, I stop it here because we don't have any entries, only the euro yen, which is sell, and the euro USD, which is the EA. So let's say, guys, see you on my next video.